Bharadwaj, what you are drawing?
Indian flag.
Okay. Our Indian flag has how many colors?
3 colors.
What are there?
Orange, white and green.
When we got your Independence Day?
1947.
Very good. What is our national animal?
Tiger.
Our national flag?
A lotus.
Our national tree?
Banyan tree.
Our national animal?
Tiger.
Our national fruit?
Mango.
Our national tree?
Banyan tree.
Very good. Our national vegetable?
Pumpkin.
Our national fruit?
Mango.
Who are our freedom fighters?
Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Vallabhbhai Bode.
Sardar?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Bode.
Okay. What they did? What they did?
What they did ante